What's up, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we opened something that was like a long time ago. We bought it and we didn't even open it. And we even built it. And this, my brother's here. So this is what it looks like, my friends. It's not so fast. They come with these cars, like they come with this fire truck rescue team car.
This is not a rescue team, please, fire truck. These are like
But I didn't know everything about it. Fire truck, helicopter, YouTube. And then also these three fire trucks. And then it comes with a man. My brother calls him Manus. I don't know what that means. It comes with a fire police car or fire blah blah blah. And it comes with that and this train that is magnetic. Look, guys, look at something. Can I hold this? This thing right here. It comes with the. It will get attached to the magnet, so it's like this, and then there you go. And you put batteries that you open a screw right here. Right there. And then you put the batteries in there. Yeah. And this, okay, so you can put the slash the man inside. And then there's a battery and then you push and it'll work. Oh, it's going, guys.
don't worry.
There you go, guys. You see, that's what I'm talking now. So let's get on with the. Sorry, guys. 1 second, guys. I'm coming over. All right, guys. You see it right there. So I'm gonna record it all with you guys, so you guys can enjoy it as well as me and my brothers did it. Let's look at this, guys. It's going, guys.
I'm not good at that. How can I go?
Look at guys.
No, I know.
Oh yeah, guys. Subscribe to the video.
Wait, train. No, want to go. Hey. Can we stop it in the man wants to go?
Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And there's gonna be a video that will be live or it will premiere very soon. I think it will be live. I don't know. So keep an eye on there and make sure to like and subscribe with all of that. Please make sure to like, subscribe to my video. And now look at the footage that my brother is watching with the train. Stop the train. Okay, guys, thank you for watching so much. And make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. How's my hair?